Guys, it's my college farewell and I love wearing sarees. बट पता है एक प्रॉब्लम होता था, मेरे साइज का और मेरे लेंथ का पेटीकोट मार्केट में कहीं मिलता ही नहीं था, और अगर मिलता था तो वो या तो बंद नहीं होता था या तो उसका लेंथ छोटा होता था. बट हियर आई एम, एंड एक्चुअली हियर आई एम बिकॉज मैंने ये पीस कस्टमाइज करवाया है आई एम से बाय डॉली जैन, एंड यू कैन सी it perfectly fits me. It has an elastic here. It is perfect length and I am just loving wearing it. I mean, wow.
Hi Priyanshi.
Hi Lori ma'am. Hi.
I just heard you speaking so high about decodes, and I'm so glad that they've customized this piece for you and it's looking so good on you. When we did introduce the customized thing for our thing, the decode thing, that's when when they started saying that Dolly, nobody does it for us. So, and I said, nobody does it, but we'll do it for you. And that's when I think it's been like 4 years. We started doing even a single piece will be customized and will be sent to you. So I think this feels great because India is a place where everybody's got different body, different structures, brilliant heights. And like for me, I fit into the size that's there. But tall girls like you don't get those lengths. So
imagine I'm out of my problems now. Thank you.
and I just heard it's a farewell.
Yeah, it's my college farewell.
So I just got this one black sari, seeing that you're wearing a black decode and this. And I want to drape this sari on you and let's do it. Let's see how it looks. Any which ways, when you're wearing a decode, the first thing is what you love is the comfort that's there.
I mean, I feel like I'm wearing nothing right now.
Yeah, actually, it becomes a part of your skin. It's just so comfortable. You just feel as if it's a part of your skin only.
And it has this elastic also, so it's very easy for me to adjust.
No, the best part it is, what? If you, sometimes, when you're feeling a little uncomfortable, all you need to do is just take this and release it. I think that's what I do. So that's what I do, but rarely I get a chance to adjust because once you've set yourself in your sari, I think it just goes so well. You really need nothing to do. With an underfit or not properly fitted underskirt, I keep seeing people keep fiddling with it.
I mean,
ऐसे कर रहे हैं, कभी it's pinching them, कभी it's snugging them, and I just feel that. And looking at them, I can feel they're so uncomfortable.
I mean, I even tried wearing shape wears, but मुझे लगा ठीक है चलो वो मेरे को shape देगा या कुछ देगा, but नहीं, and all I ended up getting rashes. इधर, everywhere. And you know how sensitive my skin is.
I can see how sensitive because I just crossed by and it was like you got red mark here. So I also feel. Because these fabrics that they use has a lot of synthetic mix. And what we've done is we've absolutely used 99% cotton, 1% lycra. So, and nobody is sensitive with cotton. I mean, cotton is one fabric which I feel goes with all because जब बच्चा पैदा होता है ना तब से उसे cotton पहना रही होती मम्मी. So I think cotton is the fabric for us, and then you will not get rashes. So let's do this. So this has got work here. I'm going to tuck this here. Okay, the first thing you need to do is just make your lower pleats, or for all those people who think how do I decide how much palla I should leave, just take this and decide upon your palla first. So it feels so good because all my model friends and all my celebrity friends and everybody in the Bollywood industry and the industrialists, they all wear decode and they all say, where were you, Dolly, for so many years?
Exactly.
And I was like, I was here only. But the problem, it did register. But to come up with a solution for a problem does take some time.
And me being in this generation, I love wearing sarees.
Nice.
And it's my college farewell. I wanted to wear a saree only.
I mean, all the girls for the college farewell, I think for the school farewell, that's first when you guys wear sarees, right?
I mean,
and then and now all the girls will have a proper decode to wear their sarees. So as you guys can see, this is a beautiful organza sari and my girl is tall enough. So we've got false fabric done here because, otherwise the sari will not be able to, I'll not be able to tuck in the sari. This is such a beautiful sari and since you're tall enough, see you've got this false fabric attached. अगर ये नहीं लगाओ तो तुम्हारे हाइट के लिए तो ये साड़ियों का लेंथ ही नहीं सेट होएगा.
Yeah, exactly.
It's such a beautiful sari.
And you know, when I chose organza,
हाँ.
all these aunties were like, "तुम organza पहनने जा रही हो? पागल हो क्या?" And I was like, क्या? क्यों? And she was like, और ऐसी दिखोगी. And I'm like, okay, मैं ऐसे में भी अच्छा स्ले कर लूंगी.
Oh my god, that's so rude.
Yeah, exactly.
And also, please go and tell them it's all a myth because when I was pregnant or when I got married, since then I think until today, my body's taken a lot of shapes and sizes. But the only fabric that I've not ditched is an organza fabric. I've always stuck to an organza sari and I've always loved wearing it because it is about how you're wearing it. And now you have decode. The best part is, see, when you tuck in, because it's got elastic fabric here, it just tucks in and sets in so beautifully that you don't have to worry about, those bulges and all of that. See, it's just sitting in. And there's no extra weight because, there's no extra volume that it's giving you. See? And I think that's it. Take this, rest it on your shoulder. This is here. So after you've done this, just take this and add a pin behind. And that is it. Look at this. एक बात बताऊं, बहुत पतली लड़कियों को जब मैं ड्रेप करती थी ना, तो उसकी मम्मी मेरे को साइड में आके बोलती थी कि इसको बोलो डॉली कुछ खाएगी, कंकाल लगती है, कंकाल. पीपल विल नेवर बी हैप्पी. वो कंकाल लगती है, ये मोटी लगती है, इसको क्या ही हो गया, ये बीमार तो. as far as you are happy, whatever it is, the world. I don't want to say it, but I swear, it just feels कि किसी को हमारी बॉडी से क्या प्रॉब्लम है. अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं तो जेन्युइनली किसी और को भी नहीं होगा. ये रहा तुम्हारा beautiful organza sari and look at how stunning you're looking.
Thank you.